po sa Israel.
Taga-san kayo?
Taga Victoria City, ma'am.
Saan yung Victoria?
In, Negros Occidental. Good luck. Go. The sign that you need a friend.
Curious place, no one here.
I'm looking forward to tonight.
Thinking of you when you're not here.
How many times will I think about the things that to live my life the way I want to share with you. Close your eyes, I want you right, the skies in my free. Close your eyes, I want you make the night in my free. Like a child with a gift, you didn't know what to give me, I give. For this moment, the
Bakit hinahawakan mo yung balikat niya kanina?
Hindi mo, ma'am. Dinalagnat ako kasi ako ngayon. Kaya yung pusis ko.
Oo, pumipiyo ka nga eh.
super. Sorry ako no.
Ako rin, pasensya na. Eh, season 3, next time na lang.
Correct.
Sorry, no.